lady! We're on our way to pick up our new puppy. You're... I think lady is what we decided. She likes me.
Yeah, I'd like a American Pit Bull. Yeah, with no silk.
Oh my gosh. Hi. Oh my gosh. Hi.
The lady was 10 and total. 10 for
Oh my god.
Which one was the top right? Top right was this one right here.
Ooh. Your shoe.
For sure. Get a picture.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's all.
Yes.
Content. And this is your shop.
Oh, perfect. It is. Miss Girl. Look at her. Wow. With the yawn. Oh my goodness. Oh, she likes this. Lady's first cart ride. Lady. She's hella heavy. Dang. She's maybe I should put this. Her first pee with us. Lady. I know. Long ride. We're gonna have to wash. Oh, you're bougie. I haven't carried her yet. Yeah. Hi, Miss Lady. She likes the crinkles. Lady, you're such a good girl. You like your bed? No. Pull it. Pull it. It's okay, Kodak. It's okay. It's okay. This is baby sister. Baby sister, Kodak. Okay. Girl. Right here.
You guys picked it up from
Oakland.
Oakland?
Yeah. I don't know. Ooh. So Kodak's outside. They're not getting along yet. Say hi, YouTube.
Right now we're just dancing in the basement. Got inside a basement. Set it 4 ounce to it, baby, chicken faces. Run this shit ourselves on my own.
So this is ladies area.
So they won't fuck with me. I just want to get some rain and sleep. Shit a little free, yeah. So what I want, then I get what I want. It's easy, yeah. Baby, you know I'm a G. I gotta double them C's. She wanna put it on me. Used to sit inside my room, living through some interviews. Took my ass up out of school, I knew I had to make some moves. Got that pressure on me, turn anxiety to diamonds. Demons make it hard to close my eyelids. Told my brothers one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that paycheck. Mama told me one day I'll be famous. Remember when she used to say she hated.
Sorry.
That and it would laugh when I say shit.
I know.
Now I'm
Okay,
inside
no
all
more.
them people's playlists. So one day I'll be stomping on them stages.
Lady,
But right now we just dancing in the bass.
get your shots
Fuck
today.
that. When I get that paper, I'm gonna keep it straight. Fuck
Lady,
you.
why do you look like
Go and take my stakes. Bitch, you suspect. You can go in somebody nutsack. I can't look back, cause you know I'd be above that. I like bitches. Yeah, that like bitches. Yeah, put a spell on me.
Wow, lady, look at you. Oh. You ready? Lady.
I feel like the caller might like this.
Come on, lady. Lady. Lady is gonna get her last round of shots today. She can play at the park with Kodaki. We haven't been bringing Kodak around Lady, or we haven't been bringing him to the house basically because he was very aggressive when we brought Lady, so we're just waiting until she gets her last shots, and then we're gonna start introducing them like at the park. Ooh, you okay? Sorry.
Here.
Baby. Lady. Huh?
You calling for me?
Miss Lady. So hyper.
He's trying to play, but his bark scared.
I'm saying the bark scare her.
Oh my god.
Hey, no, wait,
Rascal.
wait. Oh, that. Oh my god. Wait, sit. Come on, I saw it.
Good sit, lady. Ooh.
Sit.
Oh, lady. Drink a lot, lady.
Come on, baby. Follow. Right, come. Right here. Come. Sit down.
Wow. Bye, Miss Lady.
Good night, okay?
She moved for the spot.